हेलो गाइस मैं आपको जेई मेन 2024 का सारे PYQs और आर्यहंट सिंगेज किताब की मैथमेटिक्स की किताब की सारे सॉल्यूशन करवाऊंगा। ठीक है, तो आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिएगा। तो आज की पहली सवाल देखिए, लेट m and n बी द कोफिशिएंट ऑफ 7th and 13th टर्म्स रेस्पेक्टिवली इन द एक्सपांशन ऑफ दिस, देन n by m होल टू द पावर 1/3 इज इक्वल टू व्हाट। तो देखिए कैसे करता हूँ इस सवाल को। 1/3 x टू द पावर 1/3 प्लस 1/2 x टू दी पावर 2/3 होल 18, ये वाला दिया है 1/3/3 प्लस x टू दी पावर माइनस 2/3/2 होल टू दी पावर 18। नाउ इसका एक्सपेंशन का सातवां टर्म सेवेंथ टर्म विल बी T7, सेवेंथ टर्म विल बी T7 विच विल बी 18C6 x टू दी पावर 1/3 whole to the power 18 minus 6 which will be 12, now into x to the power minus 2/3/2 whole to the power 6, this will be 18C6, this will be x to the power 4 by 3 to the power 12 into x to the power minus 4, this will be 2 to the power 6, so this will be 18C6, this will nullify it x to the power 0 and this will give x 1, so it will be 1/3 to the power 12 into 1/2 to the power 6. This can be written as 18C6, 3 to the power minus 12 and 2 to the power minus 6. Again the 13th term will be 18C12 x to the power 1/3 whole to the power 18 minus 12 which will be 6, and here x to the power minus 2/3/2 whole to the power this 12, this will be 18C12 x to the power 2 by 3 to the power 6 into this will be x to the power minus 8 2 to the power 12, this will be 18C12 x to the power minus 6, so this will be written as 3 to the power minus 6 into 2 to the power minus 12 and x to the power minus 6. Value of m will be the coefficient of term T7 which is 18C6 into 3 to the power minus 12 and 2 to the power minus 6, and n will be the coefficient of term 13 which will be 18C12 3 to the power minus 6 and 2 to the power minus 12. n by m will be 18C12 3 to the power minus 6 2 to the power minus 12 by 18C6 3 to the power minus 12 into 2 to the power minus 6. Now these two are equal to each other, ये दोनों सेम है, ठीक है, तो दिस विल कट, therefore this will be 3 to the power minus 6 plus 12 and 2 to the power minus 12 plus 6, this will give 3 to the power 6 into 2 to the power minus 6, so this will be 3 to the power 3/2 whole to the power 6, therefore n by m whole to the power 1/3 equal to 3/2 whole to the power 2, this will be 9/4, so the right answer is 9/4, which is option 4. Let's do the second question. Here this is given. ओके, सवाल में ये वाला दिया हुआ है, तो के का रेंज निकालना पड़ेगा, के का कौन सा वाला रेंज सही होगा वो निकालना पड़ेगा। तो सवाल में दिया है n-1 CR इक्वल टू के स्क्वायर माइनस 8 NCR प्लस 1, दिस इज गिवन। नाउ दिस कैन बी रिटन एज n-1 CR equal to k square minus 8 equal to, now this can be written as like n by r plus 1, okay, into n minus 1 CR. Okay, now look from the left hand side and right hand side, these two will cancel, so this will be 1 equal to k square minus 8 n upon r plus 1, this can be written as k square minus 8 equal to r plus 1 upon n. Okay, now look, this is always positive, r plus 1 upon n is always positive. Why? Because here r and n are natural numbers. Okay, n cannot be 0 but r can be 0. Okay, but these are all positive, but r can be 0 except, so this will always be a positive number, so this is greater than 0. Therefore k square minus 8 greater than 0. From here k square minus 2 root 2 whole squared greater than 0. This will be k plus 2 root 2 and k minus 2 root 2 greater than 0. From wavy curve method, this is minus infinity to plus infinity. This will be minus 2 root 2 and this will be plus 2 root 2. Plus minus plus. So we need the positive. So positive is from here, this. So therefore from here k belongs to minus infinity to minus 2 root 2 open union 2 root 2 to infinity. Okay. Also look in the question here nc r plus 1 is defined. So we can write n greater than r plus 1 equal to greater than equal to r plus 1. This will imply n by r plus 1 greater than equal to 1. This will imply r plus 1 upon n less than equal to 1. Now the value of r plus 1 upon n is k square minus 8. So k square minus 8 less than equal to 1. This will lead to k square minus 9 less than equal to 0. From here we will get k plus 3 and k minus 3 less than equal to 0. Again using wavy curve method we get minus infinity to plus infinity. From here it will be minus 3 here and plus 3 here, plus minus plus, but this time we need the less than equal to, this time we need the less than equal to 0, which is negative. So negative is here from minus 3 to 3. Therefore k belongs to minus 3 to 3. Both minus 3 and 3 are included. Okay, included. Okay, now the final answer will be intersection of this solution. The final answer will be intersection of this intersection. We have to take the intersection of this and this. So what will we do? This is minus infinity, this is plus infinity. Now plotting, minus 3 will be here, minus 2 root 2 will be here, here it will be plus 2 root 2 and 3 will be here. Okay, now from 2 we have got this, and from 1 we have got this. Okay, so intersection is here. Okay, so the final answer will be k belongs to minus 3 to 2 root 2 minus 2 root 2 open, this is closed, union 2 root 2 to 3, this is closed. So from the given option we only see that A is correct, 2 root 2 less than k less than equal to 3. Now I will solve the ARIHANT book target exercise. This is from trigonometry, the first question of trigonometry. Okay, the numerical value of this expression is, तो देखिए मैं कैसे करता हूँ इस सवाल को. द क्वेश्चन इज रिटन हियर, मुझे इस एक्सप्रेशन का न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करना है. तो देखिए कैसे करता हूँ. tan pi by 3 plus 2 tan. Now this 2 pi by 3 can be written as pi minus pi by 3 plus 4. This 4 pi by 3 can be written as tan pi plus pi by 3. Okay, now this last term 8 pi by 3, this can be written as tan 3 pi minus pi by 3. Okay, now this will be tan pi by 3, this 2 into, now this angle is in the second quadrant. In the second quadrant tan is negative, so minus tan pi by 3. Now look, this angle is in the third quadrant. In the third quadrant tan is positive, so this will be 4 tan pi by 3. Now in the last term this angle is in the second quadrant. In the second quadrant it is minus, tan is negative, this is that is why it is minus tan pi by 3. Now this will be tan pi by 3 minus 2 tan pi by 3 plus 4 tan pi by 3 minus 8 tan pi by 3. So this will be 5 tan pi by 3 minus 10 tan pi by 3. So this will be minus 5 tan pi by 3. The value of pi by 3, the value of tan pi by 3 is root 3. So this is the answer of the first question. Okay, so therefore 1 is correct. Okay, 1 is correct, minus 5 root 3. Let's do the second question. Here a quadratic equation whose roots are cosec square theta and sec square theta can be. सवाल में बोल रहा है ऐसा क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन ढूंढिए जिसका रूट्स है कोसेक स्क्वायर थीटा एंड सेक स्क्वायर थीटा. तो चलिए करते हैं इसे. तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 ऑफ आरिहंट ट्रिगोनोमेट्री सॉल्यूशन. देखिए एक क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन ढूंढना है जिसका रूट है कोसेक स्क्वायर थीटा एंड सेक स्क्वायर थीटा. ये दो रूट है. सो कोसेक स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस sec square theta, this will give 1 upon sin square theta plus 1 upon cos square theta. This will be sin square theta into cos square theta. This will cos square theta plus sin square theta. On the numerator, the value of this is 1 and this is sin square theta cos square theta. Now multiply this with 4 and multiply this with 4. This will be 4 2 sin theta into cos theta whole squared. This will be 4 sin squared 2 theta. Now look, this is always greater than equal to 4. Okay, this is always greater than equal to 4. The denominator will be from 0 to 1. When sin squared 2 theta varies from 0 to 1, this will the minimum value of this expression will be 4 and this will go on after 4. Now look, cosec square into sec square theta. So what will be this? This is 1 upon cosec square theta will be 1 upon sin square theta and sec square theta will be 1 upon cos square theta. Now multiply 4 and 4 here, sin square theta into cos square theta. This will be 4 2 sin theta into cos theta whole squared. So this will be 4 sin square 2 theta. Similarly, this will be greater than equal to 4. So the quadratic equation whose root are cosec square theta and sec square theta will be x square minus addition of the two roots, which is cosec square theta plus sec square theta into x, multiplication of the roots cosec square theta into sec square theta equal to 0. Now here this will be greater than equal to 4 and this is greater than equal to 4. Here the value of this is greater than equal to 4 and here the value of this is greater than equal to 4. Now look at the option. Here only C is possible answer because the sum is greater than 4 and here multiplication is also greater than 4. So C will be the correct answer.